Just a real quick sound check on the Eheims for Chris Foy here. That's a 45 that is submerged and hasn't got the Venturi running. I'll open the lid up so you can hear. Pretty quiet. And this is the 160 on the big tank, which is right at the surface and does have the Venturi running. I mean, it's reasonably loud. That's it a bit further down. I don't know if you'd want that in your front room or not, to be honest with you, but try to give you an idea, and I'm going to delete this as soon as you've seen it, so let me know, will you, Chris, that you've watched it. Alright, later.